In this video, you'll learn how to install a glass shower door. More attractive than a shower curtain, the shower door is an ideal way of ensuring your shower cabin is more waterproof. To do this, you'll need a glass shower door, a spirit level, a pencil, a drill driver, wall anchors, a wall anchor setting tool, a caulking gun, silicone sealant, and screw cap covers. Installing a glass shower door requires 3 steps, which we will explain for you. Step 1. Remove the shower curtain. Push on the bar on which the shower curtain is hanging and remove it. Step 2. Preparing the installation. Place the frame of the shower door as a mock-up. Adjust the U-channel to fit the walls. It is adjustable. With the spirit level, check that the frame is leveled vertically. Repeat the process on the other side. Mark the points for the wall anchors with a pencil. If the pencil cannot write on the tiles, lay a strip of adhesive tape on the points at which you need to drill instead. Pick a drill bit adapted to the surface you are going to drill. With the drill driver, drill through the adhesive tape to make sure that the tile does not break. Once the holes are drilled, remove the adhesive tape. With the anchor setting tool, open the wall anchors you have placed into the wall. Step 3. Installing the door. With the caulking gun, apply a silicone seal along the entire length of the U-channel. Place the U-channel and insert the fixing screws. Screw with the drill driver. Apply the silicone seal on the other U-channel. Adjust the shower door frame position using the 2 U-channels. Screw. Put the screw cap covers in place. They prevent water from getting into the fixing holes and therefore protect the door against rust. Then, lay a silicone seal on the shower tray. And place the frame down on top of it. Put the glass door in the frame. Dip your finger in soapy water and smooth the silicone joints with it. Finish by applying sealant around the frame and smoothing it. Wait 24 hours before using the shower, the time the silicone needs to dry. You now know how to install a glass shower door.